There is a guy, I don't know, I think my own was too much. When I got to know that guy in home na wahala,
Pass your own.
in own na wahala. Make I give you an example. Recently, Portable Zazoo guy ó kàn lọ sórí social media ni. Ṣego he's talking to all these union people,
Okay.
national road,
NURTW.
he say Ṣego yálà yá ẹ tí n bá mú ẹ. He was just parring, ṣe para ló máa ń pè para like mo kàn ń wò báyìí ni pé kí ló ń ṣe bọ̀bọ̀ yìí every time on social media ó ń entertain wa ṣá wàhálà. Initially mo ti ẹ̀ ń ṣàìdí ẹ̀ parí wahala yẹn is not calling for trouble. I say it's wahala, pronunciation is the same, but wahala that he was saying is wahala.
You
progress, you will succeed.
You progress, you succeed.
I didn't know before everybody just started saying wahala, trouble. I say violence. Are you people looking for wahala? Me, I know they look for wahala. Me, I'm looking for progress. God bless you. Now, the guy, you can't say Koko Sharia, yálà yá ẹ, tí n bá mú ẹ, ìyàwó mi, do ìyàwó níyàwó, ọmọ ọlọ́mọ, kíni kan. He was just saying oríṣiríṣi. But what I gbọ́ Yorùbá, we understand that if somebody is even sleeping with your wife, that is not how to go about
address it. Yeah.
That's not how.
You need to be matured to address
that guy. I don't need to say anything about him. Whatever your view on his action or reaction, like whatever his action, the implication will be his. Whatever anybody say, will be responsible for it. But for me, I'm just making a reference to this accusation is just made recently. Now, this person that I felt my own was too much, any small thing, you go to complain. I was like, wait, I think I'm too stubborn because my wife can say my wahala is too much. Like when I complain, my wife will say your wahala is too much. And anytime you address woman not to tell you that your wahala is too much, they will let you know that don't they have rights or don't they have the right
to do some things, yeah,
to say this is their own. They will face you and say that they have every right to talk when necessary. You understand?
Yeah.
So now, I used to say, okay, don't worry. The only way to let peace reign, let me just be man up and do everything you say. But this guy, every time you say, you go and meet this person, you fight the person, say, me and his wife. I say, wait, Oga. If they look for trouble, he cannot go and accuse another man of sleeping. Have you caught them? But why do you think men, do you believe that men jealous? For me, I'm speaking from my own perspective, 100%. Women jealous more than women, for me.
Yes, it's the truth. But the only thing is, we women, the moment we hear anything, we will just start reacting, we will just start trying to create scene. You want your husband to know that you heard something, you start reacting to everything. But men, they can keep it within themselves for a very long time. They will now start giving you instances and they will make sure your cup is full and over full, that is even shedding off, before they cannot tell you that this that sure you understand. So if your cup is full, hey, that's when you cannot do anything. There will be problem. But I will still say that if you are man enough, you should be able to handle all situations. with maturity. Maturity is not everything that, but some men, they will just keep nagging and nagging. Their wife cannot do this, is problem. Their wife cannot wear this cloth, is problem. And before you married her, you used to love her with spaghetti and bomb shot. But now you want her to be wearing boo gown up and down. No, now.
To be honest, when you are moving with your girl, any man that look back, two of you will jam right, because you know
wetin you carry now.
You know wetin man go look now.
And you sef know the kind babe wey you carry.
See, let me say this. Sometimes, if I'm coming towards some people, I don dey speak to my mind, to myself, say this man go dey look me, so make I look how I go take look with the man. So I go dey look with eye. I go come surprise you. Say if I'm looking with this eye, you understand, to the woman, by the time I go wan check whether the man is looking at me like this,
my eye go jam.
I go come jam. But the man, their mood go change. Like go look, say bastard, what are you looking? But do you know that now you carry this thing come outside?
Yes, now.
For the fact that we help you look, you supposed to know, say na appreciation with the appreciation.
But why? I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
Because you men, men,
hot seat,
you see this gender called men, you need to fear them. I'm sure some people will support what I want to say now.
Okay.
You need to fear this gender called men.
Okay.
When you are cutting with your wife, your babe, before she became your wife.
Okay.
You always love her sexy, tricky,
Yes.
Immediately she enter like this, maybe God can't do and bam. She first give you one bam.
Okay.
Give you the second bam.
Okay.
You now want to turn her to old school.
Listen.
After turning her to old school, you now tell her don't wear igba, don't wear awo, don't wear kokobaba shasun. You will now end up carrying another babe outside that is wearing skimpy for you. What stops your wife from wearing that skimpy?
Do you know why? We don't want to give any access or any chance to people outside. Let me tell you, as we see our wife, like the mother, the OG, let me just put it like that. Some people from outside the fence, then the look.
That doesn't matter.
Listen now, if wife come the pon.
No, there is what we call modesty. Yes. It's not until when you expose all your body before you can be a fashionista.
See, listen. Let me say this. I know that everybody will not agree with me. You understand? But with all senses, don't let us deceive ourselves. Men, there are some men that they will pretend like as if they didn't see. They have another way to.
It's because you don't trust yourself. That is why you will not be able to trust your wife.
No, it's not about trusting wife. Yes, sir. Woman can easily be manipulated.
No. You know one thing about we women.
Okay, what's that?
One thing about us is when we truly love somebody,
okay,
that person has 100% loyalty. That man has 100% loyalty.
That is when woman love man.
When you love your husband.
When woman love husband.
Yes, when you
is
love.
It the woman that has 100% loyalty or the man?
The woman has 100% loyalty to her husband.
Yes. To the husband. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
She has 100% loyalty to her husband.
We know that.
And she cannot allow any man penetrate her body.
Yes, we know. That's why we are helping them to make sure that we block. We do roadblock. Listen. No, listen. Listen, we do roadblock. We do roadblock before the turn. I'm telling you, if you used to travel to the express, if you are going to Abuja, you saw those checkpoints. We, as a man, you have to be a safeguard or security to your wife. Do you know why? There are some guys, let me even call them men, they are too nice. But they nice because say they want
off pants.
They want thief something. I'm telling you the truth. They're nice pass. If you call them for your party, they go come. If you not call them for your party, they go come. Now, God forgive me. Sorry for those of you that the people that give philanthropists or gifter, all the people that give women, well, please, I want to encourage you to continue. Don't think I'm trying to attack you. But we have seen the people that they give the big pass. But they know they give because of God though. I'm telling you now. Do you know why? Women, like somebody, they will call them Eshin race course.
Akagon.
They will call some people Akagon. But the givers, they will say this man is always nice. Ìgbàkígbà tó náà bá ti need help mi. Ìgbàkígbà tó bá ti need help mi, màá ṣe fún. Ibi tí wàhálà ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ nìyẹn. Do you think man will hear
all those kind of things and be happy?
Ìgbàkígbà bọ̀dá kìíní, ọkùn kìíní, Mr. kìíní kan, ó nice gan. Ó máa ń dúró tí ìwà gbogbo gbà. Ó gbé mọ́tò ẹlẹ́rù la gbé lọ sí kìíní kan. Ó ṣe kìíní kan fún wa. Anytime tó bá ti need help wa, ẹ wò wàhálà ti dé o. Wàhálà ti dé. Anytime tó bá need help, ẹ má jẹ́ kí n tàn yín. Ẹ má dẹ̀ need help yẹn. Tẹ́ bá ní pé kò lè ṣẹlẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ kó need help yẹn. At that time, ẹ máa mọ̀ pé nǹkan tí obìnrin kan máa sọ ni pé ẹ̀bù tẹ́ béèrè yìí ó tóbi o. Ó tóbi mi rò pé mo lè ṣe o. Ẹ wo nǹkan mi. Ibi tẹ́ ti ń wo nǹkan mi yẹn, ẹ máa padà wò. Ṣé this thing no dey happen ni?
Well, you're right. Because I noticed that some women, you don't leave them too much. You don't give them free hand. Because when you give them free hand, they will end up misusing the opportunity they have.
That's right.
So we should try as much as possible to balance equation. This topic go long gone. Now very long one. But we go know as we go take one.
We are going to look for another expert. The people that have been doing it. We know of some bad people. We know we call them bad people like that. The baddest. Baddest. We're going to call them to join body. Like she rightly said, if you think you love talking, if you think you
love to come out straight, like you want your voice to be heard, this is the avenue we want you to join. This platform. You can reach out to us via Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, on YouTube. You can join our broadcasting unit. Come and show your talent. Let your voice be heard.
Thank you. So we want people to come so we can interact, we can share opinion together.
Yeah.
That's what we're going to do next. That's where we're going to drop this curtain. Until we come your way again, everybody. Cheers.
Bye.
Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Bye.